Hey guys, what's up? Anyway, guys, the more subscribers I get, more of the face show. So, anyways, that's just for like short videos like this. So today we're gonna be cleaning the house. I've been loading, putting away dishes. So let me do that. Gotta take off the wrappers. Yeah, that's why it's really satisfying. Right now I'm just washing some dishes. Okay, I got it washed, so now we're gonna go put it back. Covered. Oh my gosh, alright, I got it. Let's put it in.
Are you the cameraman? Are you the cameraman?
Done with that. Got to try this.
Are you doing dishes?
Alright guys, so we're almost done. 4 minutes in, almost done with the dishes. I just started the video. BTW. So,
Have a great video, Karen.
so. Alright guys, I got this one done. Nope. Hey guys, by the way, so I've been watching a bit of Cruz, like really Cruz. Shout out to him, by the way. Awesome videos. Careless Blocks is still better. What? Who said that? Anyways, there's been a misunderstanding going on. Gara took Cruz's thing. Gara gang and Cruz gang. So let me know down below who's better, Cruz or Gara. Do not say gang at the end. Right. So far, almost done this. The measuring cup. Gotta finish this for parents. For their parents. I'm still at Utah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be here for like a week or so, yeah. Oh yeah, we got someone new. Well, not new. Well, it's just probably gonna end the video before he gets here, but it's gonna be my grandpa. So yeah. That's full, but the video. Got this cool water bottle. Flipping the lid on. That goes all the way up there, like the very top, up here. Got it. Bowl. What's sorry. Right. Oh god. The lid. Right, guys. Ugh. Um, by the way, my brothers, they're just watching. If you hear anything, that's probably like, and they might wake up soon. So we gotta go. 10 minutes into the vid, not even done with dishes. Alright guys, we got some plates. More new plates. Got one of these. That goes on top like canvas. Hey guys, what should be us? Guys, let me know down in the comments, like, cool kingdom, that would be stealing, Vulcan, and chaos. Let me know down below, like, cool gang, or something. So let me know. Down in the comments. And then, yeah. Anyways, I forgot to say what's poppin'. Okay, got 2 big plates.
Colin, I found this in Dad's car for you. I found this in Dad's car.
Oh, thank you. I need to put that back on my backpack.
I found it in Dad's car.
Well, it was right here. Just anyways, thank you. I'm just gonna set it right here, okay?
What if it falls down?
It won't. I promise.
It's like almost at the edge. Almost.
It is at the edge. Oh, those plates might scoot those babies back.
Those babies back? I think they're okay.
Watch out, Pepper. Oh.
Whoa, you almost.
You good, Pepper? Luckily, I didn't step you. Hey, Lucky.
One puppy looks just like Pepper.
Almost done, guys. Oh, sorry, Lucky. I am so sorry for these dogs. Alright, let's close these. Can you guys see this? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. Time to put away some spring fork and knives.
Talon, does that dog look just like Dash?
Yeah. That's one of his cousins.
No, it's not.
Yes, I promise. That's one of his cousins.
Well, cats are not one of the cousins.
That's not a cat. That's a
Cat. Cat right there. There's a cat right there.
yeah, but that is Dash's cousin.
That's just a picture.
Yeah, that's a picture of Dash's cousin.
No, it's just a normal picture of a dog and a cat.
Yeah, a picture of Dash's cousin and a normal cat. I promise, Izzy, that's Dash's cousin.
Ask Mom.
Special food. Special food. Excuse me, Peps. Lickster, come here. Come here. Yeah, that's just the nicknames. Lickster, Lickster, Lickster. Yeah, that's Lucky's name. The picture of the channel. Pepsi, come
Oh.
She doesn't know. Alright, we're doing good. Almost done on these dishes, but we're almost done on video. Gonna go fast. Oh, I did not know you could take this out. Oh, this is way quicker. Oh dang, guys, this is kind of big. Will you select to make it? Yes, we will. Ah! Looks like nothing else. Uh-oh, guys, we're gonna have to end it here. Alright, after these, I'm gonna get the rest, put this back, and end off the video. Last item. Last item, guys. Let's go put it away. Last item. That's it. We're done, guys. Well, hey guys, well, it was nice having you guys. Hope you guys enjoy Part Dishwasher. Bye.